So for today's project, we're going to have our computer system, removable vinyl, transfer tape, the cutting mat, a few tools, and our Cricut machine. Okay, so once you've downloaded, we'll go to the Cricut, open the app, and then we will set up the machine. And here we have a Explorer family. Make sure that there's enough space in the back because the cutting pad has to go through. Okay. Outlet. Connect to computer. And we have it connected. So and it is set up. Okay. We're going to go to new projects. So we're going to make a sign for our computer help desk, and we're going to start with a text. Okay. And since our pad is a 12 by 12, we've cut the Cricut removable vinyl and placed it onto the mat that we are going to cut. So I am going to unlock so that I could change the width and height. And now we will go to our Cricut Explorer. So this is our Cricut Explorer. It does come with tools, a little space, and it has the knob. The knob has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has various items for paper, vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, fabric, and poster. Today we're going to turn the knob to vinyl because we're cutting vinyl. Okay. Now we're going to make this. We're going to make this, and there is our project. We will hit continue. Okay, so it is set to vinyl, and we are going to install our mat. And then hit the Cricut flashing symbol. Take the excess off, and you can either save this to use it for a future project, and then we're going to use our small tools that it came with. We want to weed the letters out. we've added the transfer tape. And now we're going to peel and stick where we need. Okay. And then we'll do the second half the same. Scraper. Forgot the little scraper. Oops. Now let me get the second half. Okay, we got the second half. Our project is complete.